Hello dear students, here we are going to learn infix to postfix conversion using stack. It is the topic of data structure. We are going to learn algorithm also. From the beginning, one of the application of stack is the conversion of arithmetic expression in high level programming languages into machine level readable form. As our computer system can only understand and work on a binary language, it assumes that an arithmetic operation can take place into two. Example A plus B, C star D, D divided by A, etc. But in our usual form, an arithmetic expression may consist of one operator and two operands. Now in expression A plus B, operator it is plus and A is operand and B is operand. Same way C star D, C is operand, star is operator and D is operand. In D divided by A, D is operand, divide is operator and A is operand. Here we are going to learn how to solve equation by computer. Example A plus B is there, then how it is solved by computer. C star D is there, how it is solved by computer. Example A plus B inside of parenthesis star C parenthesis D divided by parenthesis J plus D. These complex arithmetic operations can be converted into Polish notation using stack, which then can be executed into operands and an operator form. Here A, B, C, D, J, D all are operand, where plus, star, division, plus these are all are the operators. It follows the schemes of, it means we can say syntax that operand, operator, operand. Example A is operand, plus is operator, B is operand. That means an operator is preceded and succeeded by an operand, such as expression is term infix. Example that is A plus B. Postfix, it follows the scheme operand, operand and operators. Example, and that means an operator is succeeded by both the operand A plus B, that is converted into AB plus, that is called postfix expression. Now we are going to learn algorithm for convert infix to postfix. Let X is an arithmetic expression written in infix notation. An algorithm find the equivalent postfix expression, that is Y. X is our source and Y is our destination. Infix expression, that is X, example A plus B, that is infix expression, and Y, that is converted into postfix expression. Now algorithm, first of all, push onto the stack and add to the end of X. Next, scan X. It means first of all, first step, whenever we are going to first we need to enter open parenthesis. Example, I have one big equation. So initially it is starting from A plus B plus C plus D example. So at the beginning, we must enter this parenthesis into the stack. It is indicating starting of the stack. And while we are receiving this closing parenthesis, at the time in between whatever is there inside of stack, from opening to closing, all are popped from the stack and copied into destination Y string. Now beginning from the X, scan X from the left to right. It means I have example A plus B. So we are starting from the right. Example, I'm going to scan the string EMTY. So we are starting from the E. That is called scanning from the right. Scan X from the right and repeat step 3 to 6 for each element of X until the stack is empty. Step number 3 to 6, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We are going to repeat all these steps till stack become empty. If an operand is encountered, add it to Y. It means whenever operand, it means example I am fetching A. A is operand. So that is directly copy to the Y. Clear? Whenever operand A, B, C, X, it means character is fetch. At the time that is directly copied to the Y. If an left parenthesis is encountered, it means push into the stack. Whatever, whenever left parenthesis we got, at the time we can push it into the stack. If an operator is encountered, it means plus, minus, division, star, whatever is encountered, repeatedly pop from the stack and to Y each operator onto the top of the stack, which has the same precedence as or higher precedence than operator. Add operator to the stack. It means, example, star is already into the stack and I'm going to scanning plus operator. So what we are going to do, plus operator that will be enter into the stack and star operator that is which one is already into the stack, that is pop from the stack and copied into the Y, and plus will be entered into the stack. It means you can say it is based on precedence of the operator. Who has highest precedence that will be copied from the stack and pop from the stack and enter into the Y string. Or you can say add operator to the stack. If it is not, then add operator to the stack. Example, both have already plus is there inside of stack and multiplication is scanned by new scan. Multiplication is new scan. Then we can say multiplication that is entered into the stack because precedence of multiplication that is high compared to plus. Now next condition, if a right parenthesis is encountered, then repeatedly pop from the stack and add to the Y each operator onto the top of the stack until left parenthesis is encountered. Same way, first we are going to enter this parenthesis. After that, whenever close parenthesis, right parenthesis, whenever this parenthesis scan, right parenthesis, at the time, whatever between these two into the stack, all are one by one pop from the stack till we are going to reach to this parenthesis. After that, next, we are going to perform this repeatedly. Once again, repeatedly pop from the stack and add to the Y each operator onto the top of the stack until a left parenthesis is encountered. Whenever this is scanned, this parenthesis is scanned, in between whatever is inside of stack, whatever operand, operator that is inside of the stack, one by one all are popped from the stack until we are going to reach this. Last step, remove the left parenthesis and end our algorithm. Last step, that is remove the parenthesis and reach to the end of the algorithm. This is an example of infix to postfix conversion. We have equation A plus B star C minus parenthesis D divided by A caret F parenthesis close star G parenthesis star H. whenever caret is a exponential operator. Now we have iterations here, then scan value, then stack, then postfix expression, and next one that is description. Now first step, according to algorithm, we are going to enter left parenthesis into the stack. It is initial stage. Now second step, first value scan from the right side, that is A. Stack value is parenthesis, and whenever operand is scanned, at the time we are going to copy it into postfix expression. So A is directly copied over here. Next, after A, we are getting plus, that is the operator. So operator is pushed into the stack. So we are going to push it into the stack. And next one, post expression that is A. After that, next one we are fetching, that is left parenthesis. So we are going to, it is one kind of, it is going to enter into the once again stack. And postfix as it is A. Now we are fetching next one, that is B. So scan value B. So it is going to copy into the postfix expression. Value that is star. So star that is entered into the stack. Precedence or priority that is higher compared to this. So we are going to enter into the stack. Now next C, next scan that is C. So C it is operand. So enter into the postfix expression. After that, next that is minus. So we are going to enter the stack. So compared to star, precedence is high compared. So we are going to pop this star and copy the star into the postfix expression, and minus, that is the stack. So place of star that is replaced by minus, and star that is added to the postfix expression, because star has precedence then minus. Next, that is parenthesis. So parenthesis is there, or right, left parenthesis here. So next one, that is D. It is once again now D. It is once again operand over here in postfix expression. Next one, division. So division is directly added to the stack. We are going to check here precedence. So division has higher precedence than parenthesis. So it is copied, pushed into the stack. Next, caret. So it is exponential operator. So we are going to enter into the stack because it have higher precedence than division. Next one, that is, it is operand. So enter into the postfix expression. Next, closing parenthesis. Now we are getting close parenthesis. It means right parenthesis. So till left parenthesis, all the values are copied into the postfix expression one by one. So first, we are getting this exponential operator that is copied over here. After that, next pop value, that is division, that is put over here. Pop from the top on the stack. That's why character come first. Top value will be fetch. Next, star. Star, it have higher precedence than minus. So we can directly enter into the stack. Next one, that is G. It is operand. So copy it over here. Next, closing parenthesis. So up to this, we are going to pop all the values one by one. First, star is pop, then minus is pop. So star copy over, then minus copy over here. Now next, that is star. So star, enter star into the stack. Next, H is a operand. So copy it over here in postfix expression. Last one, that is closing parenthesis. So closing parenthesis. So this one is closing. So till starting, it means to left parenthesis, all the value one by one pop from the stack. So first pop star, then plus. So star and plus. This is the end of the infix to postfix expression. So final our expression is A plus B star C minus D divided by E exponential operator F G star H, that is converted into ABC star DEF star exponential division g star minus h star plus. Thank you.